Have you ever tried a tea that isn't really a tea yet has taken the world by storm for its taste, health benefits, and unique story? Stay with me because today we're diving into the fascinating world of Rooibos, a drink so special even NASA astronauts once took it with them to space. So, what exactly is Rooibos? Rooibos, also called red bush tea, is a herbal infusion made from the leaves of Aspalathus linearis, a shrub that grows only in one place on Earth, the Cedarburg Mountains of South Africa. Unlike green, black, or white tea, Rooibos doesn't come from the tea plant, Camellia sinensis. That's why it's naturally caffeine-free, making it the perfect evening drink, safe for kids, and even enjoyed during pregnancy. Now, let's step back in time for a moment. For centuries, the indigenous Khoisan people of South Africa used rooibos leaves for medicinal purposes and as a refreshing drink. They would cut the branches, bruise the leaves with hammers, and leave them to ferment in the sun, turning the leaves that beautiful reddish color we know today. But here's the fun twist. Rooibos remained a local secret until the 18th century, when European settlers started searching for cheaper alternatives to black tea, which was very expensive and imported from Asia. That's when Rooibos finally entered the spotlight. And speaking of the spotlight, did you know Rooibos almost disappeared completely? In the early 20th century, the seeds of the Rooibos plant were so rare that they were sold literally at the price of gold. Luckily, a South African botanist named Dr. Peter Lefranc-Nortier discovered how to cultivate it, saving Rooibos from extinction and turning it into the global phenomenon it is today. Now, let's peek inside this herbal treasure. Did you know Rooibos contains over 50 different antioxidants, including unique compounds like aspalathin and nothofagan, rare in other plants? These give Rooibos its powerful anti-inflammatory and anti-stress properties. It also has minerals like calcium, magnesium, and zinc, which are good for bones and teeth. And here's something you'll love. Rooibos is completely tannin-free. That's the compound in black and green tea that can make your drink bitter or interfere with iron absorption. So you can enjoy Rooibos smooth and mild without worrying about bitterness or stomach irritation. But what about health benefits? Research has shown that Rooibos may help support heart health by improving cholesterol levels and lowering blood pressure. Its antioxidants protect your cells from oxidative stress, which plays a role in aging and many chronic diseases. Some studies even suggest rooibos may help balance blood sugar, making it interesting for people with diabetes or those watching their sugar levels. And remember aspalathin, that unique antioxidant? It's been linked to stress reduction and better sleep. No wonder many people call rooibos the relaxation tea. Here's another fact that might surprise you. Rooibos is often used in skincare. Because of its anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties, rooibos extract is added to creams and lotions to help with acne, eczema, and even sunburns. A cup of rooibos may not only calm your mind, but could also give your skin some extra love from the inside out. Now, let's talk about how to prepare the perfect rooibos tea. Unlike green or black tea, Rooibos doesn't get bitter if you steep it longer. In fact, the longer you brew it, the richer and more flavorful it becomes. Here's how I recommend preparing it. Add 1 teaspoon of Rooibos leaves or a tea bag per cup. Pour freshly boiled water. Let it steep for at least 5 minutes, but you can go up to 10 minutes if you want a stronger, deeper taste. You can drink Rooibos plain or add a little honey and lemon. In South Africa, it's common to enjoy it with a splash of milk, almost like black tea. And here's a refreshing idea. Rooibos makes a fantastic iced tea. Just brew it strong, cool it down, add some mint or fruit slices, and you've got the perfect summer drink. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with a couple of fascinating Rooibos facts you probably didn't know. Rooibos is so unique that it's protected by geographical indication, just like champagne in France. If it's called Rooibos, it must come from South Africa. And here's the fun one. Because it's caffeine-free, some parents in South Africa give Rooibos tea to their babies to soothe colic or help them sleep. So the next time you're looking for a soothing, healthy, and caffeine-free alternative to your usual cup, reach for Rooibos. It's more than just a tea. It's a piece of South African culture packed with history, science, and flavor. If you enjoyed discovering the secrets of Rooibos, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more herbal insights. And tell me in the comments, have you ever tried Rooibos and how do you prefer to drink it? Hot, iced, plain, or with milk?